supposed to be at school? Oops, Daddy. Now you have real problems. Wait, you just left. No, I have not. Where's your car then?